Slide in style with this 2017 Nissan Armada SL, forged copper finish, yeah, it's built to excel. Charcoal heated leather seats, every ride feels right, quiet cabin, smooth power, pure luxury at night. Only 95,000 miles, barely stretching its legs, certified Nissan service that's top shelf cred. Fully loaded features, from comfort to deck, clean lines, strong stands, total dealer spec. Family trips or city lights, it fits every scene, great condition front to back, riding silky and clean. If you're looking for class with performance to match, this Armada's the one. Premium keys, ready to snatch. Give our sales team a call at 828-464-0600 or check us out on the web at www.tradingpostcars.com for more pictures and a live video of this car. Family owned and operated for over 45 years with an A+ rating with the BBB. We would love for you to come be a part of our family.